Local news for Monday the 13th of January. The bodies of two snorkelers reported missing on Friday from Matakona have been found. 48-year-old Darren Southern and his 11-year-old son Joshua went missing on Friday just after 11:30am. They were located on Saturday. The family have expressed their sincere thank you to all those involved in the search for the pair. Nighttime closures for the Urimataka Hill are in effect from last night and continue through until Friday morning between 9pm and 4am. Spending on Boxing Day was well up for Wairarapa, with figures from Paymark showing an 11.2% increase year on there for those enjoying the sales. And 2019's NIWA annual climate summary shows that Wairarapa was one of three regions that had only between 50 and 80% of their usual rainfall. Since records began in 1909, it was one of the warmest on record. Wairarapa MP Alistair Scott's Members' Bill seeks to support businesses by giving companies the opportunity to turn their fortunes around. Mr Scott says the bill is an opportunity for companies to trade through their difficult cash flow period, avoiding the upheaval of uncertainty of receivership for companies that do have a chance of turning things around. And finally, in sport and softball, the Giants men's reserves and Prem 3s picked up wins over PCU and Totara Park at the weekend, while the women went down to Wainui Green. For local news, for the first time in 2020 on Wairarapa TV, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.